Greetings, hungry souls, and welcome back to Blogging Good Food. Today we have got a mouth-watering treat for you. Delicious creamy chicken pasta recipes that are perfect for your next dinner. Get ready to satisfy your taste buds. Let's kick things off with the basics of creamy chicken pasta. We have got some creamy chicken pasta recipes that are so easy you won't believe it. First up, the chicken pasta recipe that is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Take a look at these mouth-watering dishes, chicken pasta recipes that are a breeze to make. Now let's dive into the world of creamy chicken pasta casseroles. These cheesy delights are perfect for a cozy dinner. Get ready to take your taste buds on a journey with these creamy chicken pasta delights. Craving something baked? Our chicken pasta bake is a must try. Just wait until you see that golden bubbling cheese. If you are a fan of tangy tomato sauce, this one's for you. Dive into the world of chicken pasta with a rich tomato twist. Let's switch things up with some chicken pesto magic. These recipes add a flavorful twist to your classic chicken pasta. Feast your eyes on these delightful chicken pasta creations. It is a burst of flavor in every bite. But wait, there are more. How about a delicious chicken pesto sandwich? It is a quick and easy option for lunch or dinner. Now let's explore some exciting variations of creamy chicken pasta that will keep your taste bud tingling. Spice things up with our Cajun chicken pasta, a fusion of flavors that will transport you straight to lasagna. Mushroom lovers indulge in the earthy goodness of creamy mushroom chicken pasta. And there you have it. Frogs, creamy chicken pasta recipe that will make your taste buds dance. Be sure to check out the full recipe on our website at blogginggoodfood.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more delectable delight. Until next time, happy cooking!